Hello students, morning. Once again we are here, Standard 7, School of Scholars Malkapur, exercise 1.3. Today we are going to solve. Okay, I hope that you are not facing any problem. Let's see that. Today the first question is what? Using distributive property, evaluate the following. Now listen students, distributive property, in that we have to keep in mind how to solve it. First of all, you should understand which number is multiplied. See, distributive property is what? There is two products and their sum. Okay, so in that 251 and here 251, they are multiplied to the both and their sum it is there. So what? This 251 is both sides is multiplied commonly, so we will take that 251 as a common outside, and then what is there? If it is, see, this 251 is not there in it, so what is remaining? 38. This multiply will become out. Okay, 251 and multiply 251 and multiply outside. So what is there in the bracket? 38. This plus and this 2. Understand? So in that way we have to do it. The arrangement. Okay, so let's see next what to do. 251 multiply this 38 plus 2, that is what? 40, and we have to find out this product now. So 4 zeros are 0 0 0 and 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20, 0 2 get carry, 4 2 8 plus 2 10. So in that way you have done this answer. Okay, see, these are the following next question based on the distributive property or on addition. See, here also there are two number, addition. Okay, in this these underlying numbers are the multiplied to the given number. So how will write this? 464, it will come out. Okay, multiplied in the bracket 56, this plus and this 4 is here. Okay, and then we have to solve this. Here what we do? Negative 62 will come out, multiply in the bracket this 82, this plus this negative 2. Understand? Here how 337 will come out, because both side multiply. This number 1526, this plus and this negative 526 will be as. So now understand, here there is no sign, it means what? Multiplication. Keep in mind. Okay, so if it is I return or not return, it understood it is multiply sign. So how to do it? Next step, these are the common step for all. Next what? 464 multiply, solve this sum, bracket solve. 56 plus 4, that is 60. Okay, and their product, this both product is the answer here. Understand? Your answer is this. Here also negative 62 multiply in bracket 82 minus 2. See, here plus minus is what? 82 plus minus minus 2. So here negative 62 multiply 80, and if you do the product, your answer is come now. Understand? And that answer will come what? Negative. Here will also come what? Negative, because they are product now. And next, here 337 multiply in bracket. Now see, 1526 plus minus minus 526, and if you solve this, and then you see 526 so 337 multiply 1000, because 1526 minus 526 means 1000. And see, here are 3 zeros, so 1 2 3 and 1 multiply 337. This is your answer. Okay, in that way you have to solve. Do the product and get down these two examples for you. See students, here are the next questions from the 5 to 5. Here are the subtraction is in between, so there is no change. 725 700 both are common, so same process we have to do it. 725 outside, this 78, this minus and 8 will be here. Okay, 725, as I said, here no sign is there, it means multiply relation is there. And now 78 minus 8 is what? 70, and you can do the product. Okay, in these two numbers, 725 multiply 70, whatever your answer will come, that your answer. You can solve it. I will explain you all the steps. Final answer you have to find out. Next, this negative 886 both side is there. Okay, so that is taken common outside. So here 2584 and this minus and this 584. Okay, now 2084 and 2084 both are what? Same. So what? Negative 886 multiply 2000. Okay, and now here 30 as it is 1 2 3, and now 2 multiply it at 6 6 2 are 12, 6 2 are 12, 2 1 get carry, 8 2 are 16 plus 1 17, 1 1 get carry, 8 2 are 16 plus 1 17. Okay, and minus sign as it is. So here 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma. So this is your answer. Understand how to get it. So here third example, see here are the three pair. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and in this 3 these are the 45 45 and 45. This is a common number in all. So you take common 45 all, multiply in bracket. Now here this 20, this plus sign, this plus, this 12 plus sign, this negative 2. Understand, there show no problem. So it is common, though there is no matter how many times it 2 times 3 times 4 times, you have to do common way in it. Multiply. Now see 30 plus 2 20 plus 12 32 plus minus minus 2. Now 45 multiply 30, 32 minus 2 is 30, and the product is here. Okay, so here you can write 0 and 3 5s are 15, 5 1 get carry, 4 5s are 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. Okay, understand. So answer will come subtract minus. Now in this 8 and 9 number questions, see students, here is one pair and here is nothing, but you know that any number is multiply itself, answer is come same. So this is the, we have to do the arrangement in it. Okay, if it is only one pair is there, here is nothing multiplying, so multiplying what? 1, because identity is there, multiplicative identity. So now see both side was 265 number is multiplied, so multiply in bracket. Here is 99 and plus, and here is 1, which is, we know that if it is not written, still it is 1 is there, because every number is multiplied itself is answer come, that's all. So 265 multiply 100, and answer you know that 265 and 20, this is your answer. Okay, here is also what? 299 multiply 3 5 6 7, negative negative is what? Positive. 3 5 6 7 multiplied 1, and here is also see, you see which number is multiplied both side, these two numbers. Okay, so 3 5 6 7 multiply in bracket 299 plus 1, that means 3 5 6 7 multiply 300, and you know the, you do the product here, इन दोनों का product यहाँ पे answer. Okay, you do the product, because less time is there, I have to explain more questions, so I am not doing the product, and the product is normal as it is. Here is also I see this 855 885 and this 885. So 385 multiply negative 25 plus 385 multiply negative 24 minus 385 multiply 1, and in that see 385 385 385 is the common, so we'll take it to common. So okay, 385 multiply in bracket negative 25 plus this negative 24 minus this 1. Okay, so here you see 385 multiply negative 24, here what will come? See negative 25, this plus as plus minus become minus 24. Okay, and this minus 1 is at this. Now you see what all numbers are negative, so we have to add the numbers and put the sign negative only. 385 multiply negative 25 negative 24, that is negative 49, and plus negative 1 plus mean, why I am saying, because then negative numbers are there, so numbers we are adding, so negative 50 is the answer. And now here what to do, we have to do the product. 385 multiply 50, put the 0 and negative 5 से इनको multiply करके आंसर आ जाएंगे, आंसर आप निकालो. ठीक है. Now let's see the question number 2. In that without actual multiplication, find out the following products are using the distributive property. See students, in the distributive property what we have to do, see here 842 multiply, this 100 has to be distributed in this such way that 100 plus 2 will come 102. So always keep in mind, near to the 100 some number is there, their adjustment we have to do either addition statement or multiply. Here we have done addition. Okay, here is in this example, this is near to the 100, 105. In this example 98 is near to the 100. In this example 99 is near to the 100. In this example 97 is near to 100. In this 103, how we have done the arrangement, and we can do here is also negative 61 multiply in bracket 100 plus 5. Okay, how we can do the adjustment here, 48 multiply 100 not plus minus 2. Okay, so here distributive property of subtraction will apply here. So here is 525 multiply 100 minus 1. Okay, 24 multiply 100 plus 3. Here is what, 86 multiply 900, sorry, 100 minus 3, that is 97. So in that way you have to do the adjustment, and solution is same. Here how I am applying that same, one addition and one subtraction I will explain you. Here negative 1842 multiply 100, because distributive properties tells what, this multiply first number, after that this plus 842 multiply this 2. Okay, in that way. Now you got the question, how in this way we have done it here. See, like this, reverse it is. This question is given and you have to solve in this reverse and get this answer in that way. So here the product is what, put two zeros, and 842 is the product of these two, plus here is what, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Here is negative this number, and we have to add this both negative numbers. Negative numbers addition, you know that it will come what, negative only. 4 plus 0 4, 8 plus 0 8, 6 plus 2 8, 1 plus 4 5, and 8 as it is. So here is, this is the answer of this dot product. Okay, so in this example also we have to do same way, negative 61 multiply 100 in one bracket, another bracket here plus is there, that's why plus negative 61 multiply 5, and do the product here separate, one plus here say your product, and then you have to add, your cancel will come. Now let's see the subtraction is like one example, 48 multiply 100 in one bracket minus 48 multiply 2. Okay, so 48 multiplies means 4800, this is the product, and 48 2 is 98. So and their subtraction is what, see here, 4800 minus 98, you have to do it, and I know that directly what, 3 here 4702 will come, because 800 minus 98 means 200 700, this 4702 is the answer. Okay, in that way you can do it like this also, 525 multiply 100 in one bracket minus 525 multiply 1. Okay, and then here 52500 minus 525. So this 500 minus 525 we have to do it. So answer will be 1475, I think so. Okay, yes, this answer is correct. Okay, in that way you have to solve these two, and let's see the question number 3rd. It is very easy. What is that? Determine the integers with the product with negative 1. So what to do? Negative 25 multiply negative 1. So answer will come what? 21. Why? Because both are negative, that's why positive 21. Here is 52 multiply negative 1. That time answer will come negative 52. Here is negative 108 multiply negative 1. That answer will come positive 108. And 0 multiply negative 1. That answer will 0. Okay, question number 3 over. Okay, now question number 4, true false I will tell you. So students, the first true false is the product of positive and negative integer is negative. Product of positive and negative, it is what? Integer is negative, that is true. Second, the product of two negative integer is negative integers. The product of two negative integers is positive, that's why it is false. Third, the product of three negative integers is a negative integer, that is true, correct. Odd, when the odd integers are there negative, that time negative answer will come, and 3 is negative. Fourth, the every integer when multiplied by 1, negative 1, gives its multiplicative inverse. Yes, it is true. Just now we see you multiplied by negative 1, answer is coming what? Its inverse. Negative 25 is 25 52 is negative 252, 1 negative 108, positive 108. Okay, and the next question is multiplication of integer is commutative. Yes, commutative is true, and multiplication of integers is associative. Yes, it is true. Okay, try to solve all questions and take care. And see, it is summer vacation homework. What is this? You have to complete the others exercise as well as learn the tables. Okay, so take care. Bye bye.